Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage a ringtone on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here, and now click settings, and now click notifications and sounds. Here, as you see, you will find ringtone. Click on it. Now, here you can manage your ringtone. You can choose any ringtone here, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.